Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this 10-minute morning yoga stretch and meditation. Take a seat in a cross-legged position and spin your inner thighs down and away. Lengthen your spine. Interlace your hands behind the back of your head. To warm up your spine, take a deep belly breath in through your nose. Slightly arch your spine. Look up. Open your chest. As you breathe out through your nose, round your spine, chin to your chest, and bring your elbows towards each other. 3 more. Breathe in, arch your spine, open across your collarbones, open your elbows, and breathe out, contract, close your elbows like a flower. As you breathe in, open up, arching your spine. Breathe out, rounding your spine, chin to your chest. Last one, inhale to open. And exhale, round and contract. Keep your chin down towards your chest. Just release your hands. For a gentle neck stretch, bring your right ear towards your right shoulder, nice and slow. Notice where you feel any tension. Breathe into it and then gently roll your head, your left ear towards your left shoulder, just a few half circles to release neck tension. So follow your pace. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Unclench your jaw, slightly part your teeth, and relax the muscles around your eyes in the meantime. Slowly bring your chin down towards your chest and then back up. For a nice shoulder stretch, take your arms like so, cross your right over your left. The right holds on to your left shoulder blade and your left hand holds on to your right shoulder blade. So you can go ahead and mirror me, stacking your elbows. And just take a few deep breaths. As you breathe in, notice the space opening up in between your shoulder blades. As you breathe out, feel the relaxation. And then as you breathe in, slightly bring your elbows up. As you breathe out, lower your elbows down. So as you breathe in, slightly bring your elbows up, arching your spine just a little bit. Breathe out, elbows down, rounding your spine. A few more. Nicely done. Slowly release your arms. Change the cross of your legs. And then switch sides. This time bring your left arm on top. Left hand holds on to your right shoulder blade. And the right hand holds on to your left shoulder blade. Stacking your elbows. This is a variation on eagle arms. It's a nice way to release any shoulder tension. Keep your breath flowing. And then slowly as you breathe in, bring your elbows slightly up. As you breathe out, lower your elbows down. Slightly round your spine. Again, breathe in, arching your spine. Bring your elbows up. Breathe out, rounding your spine, lowering your elbows down. Do 2 more. As you inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, lower your elbows down, chin towards your chest. Breathe in. And breathe out. And slowly release your arms. Bring your arms out to the sides. Breathe in, lengthen your spine, and circle your arms up. As you breathe out, rotate your chest to your right And place your left hand on your right knee, right hand next to your right bum on the ground for a twist. Then inhale, lengthen your arms up, come back to center, and exhale, twist to your left side. Right hand is on your left knee, left hand behind you on the ground. Keep your breath flowing. And then inhale, extend your arms up. Exhale, lower your arms down. For gate pose and modified side plank, come onto your knees, and you can always fold your mat if you have sensitive knees. Keep your right knee in the center and extend your left leg out with your left toes pointing forward. Then inhale, reach your right arm up. As you exhale, dive towards your left side and let your left hand gently graze your left leg. Keep breathing and notice the stretch in your right side body. Then release as you exhale. Place your right hand on the ground in line with your right knee. Exhale, reach your left arm up and over for modified side plank. Inhale, come back to center. And then switch sides. Left knee's in the center. Extend your right leg out. Right toes are pointing forward. As you breathe in, reach your left arm up. Breathe out. Side body stretch to your right side for a gate pose. Keep your breath flowing. Notice the space you're creating in your rib cage. And breathe in, come back. Place your left hand in line with your left knee on the ground. Exhale, reach your right arm up and over. And breathe. Nicely done. Then inhale, come back to center. And take a seated cross-legged position for a short meditation. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, connect the tips of your index fingers with the tips of your thumbs for a Gyan Mudra. This will help you stay focused. Close your eyes or keep a soft, steady gaze. As you breathe in gratitude for yourself. Breathe out, send that gratitude into your whole being. Surround yourself with it. Do a few more breaths, breathing in gratitude. Think of one thing that you're grateful for, and breathe it out, surrounding yourself with this positive energy. Then think of another thing that you're grateful for. It can be anything. And feel that gratitude in your heart space. And breathe it out, surrounding yourself as if you're in a magical bubble, surrounded by positive energy and all the things that you're grateful for. Then let your breath come back to normal. Notice how you feel. And then we're slowly going to seal this practice. You can open your eyes, bring your arms out to the sides, palms are facing up. Inhale, circle your arms all the way up. Gather all the love, light, and blessings. Breathe out, unite your palms, draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart, bringing all that beautiful energy and blessings into your whole being. Thank yourself for taking this time to do your morning stretch and meditation. It's my wish that this practice is a blessing to you. And thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours, and I wish you a beautiful day.
Good job, Yogi.
Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!